have with me today?
My name is Desmond.
Nice. Okay. Have you tried the lunch muffins?
I have.
Did you like it?
Well, I think I got a bad muffin. It was much darker than the rest, and it had spots on it, and it did not taste good.
Okay. Thank you so much. I hope you didn't get food poisoning.
Of course, thank you for having me.
Yep. Okay.
What do you like about the lunch muffin?
They taste like cake.
What's your favorite flavor?
Chocolate.
Nice.
Hi, Layla. Have you ever had the lunch muffins?
Yeah, I have.
Which one did you try?
The all chocolate one.
The muffins at lunch.
They're good, yeah.
What's your favorite flavor of them?
The chocolate ones.
Yes. Thank you very much. Do you like the muffin?
The best.
What is your favorite flavor?
The chocolate. It's really good.
Yeah, it's the best. Okay.
And have you ever tried the lunch muffins?
Yeah, I tried both.
Which one was your favorite?
The chocolate one.
Yeah.
We sent out a survey to see which flavor of muffin Emerson students prefer.
We got 293 responses. Here are the results.
20% like both equally.
22% prefer blueberry.
And a whopping 56% love chocolate muffins. So guys, let's show you how the muffins are made. Hi, we're gonna ask you how the muffins are made. So how do they start out?
Okay, so first of all, we're going to, I'll switch sides with you right here. This is what they come in. This is what they come in. This is a blueberry muffin, and this is the chocolate muffins that we have. They're both from GFS, which is in the neighborhood that we order from, and they're from Pillsbury, which is a very good product. Okay, so first, come over here by the oven. We have some that are working. I can show you it in progress. We do 15 minutes on one side, and then we switch them to the other side so they can cook evenly. Okay, so it's 15 minutes, 15 minutes, and then when we're done with that, go back over here. And this is the finished product in here. These are the blueberry muffins, and this is what they look like, and that's what the chocolate ones will look like too when they come out. And they only take 30 minutes, 15 minutes on each side of the oven, and then they'll be finished, and that's what they look like.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay, so we didn't see the muffins on the Gordon Food Services website. Do you is there a certain place you get them off of?
You can get them from, well, we get them because we have a contract
Yeah.
from our company. But they do come from the store, so they should be able to be found in the store. But if they weren't on the shelf, you can special order them through the manager, and they'd be able to get those for you.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
That's how they're made.
Thank you. Yeah! How do you eat your muffins?